Okay, for 1027, they're asking us to find the volume. And the volume is always the base area times the height. Regardless of what the shape of the base is, once you find the area and multiply it by the height, you find the volume. So they're saying that the volume of the base, or the area of the base, is 62 inches squared, and the height is 12 inches. So the volume would be 62 times 12, right? So the volume comes out to be 744 inches cubed. And then it goes on to say, would it be different if the base were a pentagon instead of a hexagon? And clearly not, because if the base area is the same, this, right, is the base area, it doesn't matter what shape it has, we're going to multiply it by the height to get the volume. So in this case, you would say no for that reason that we just talked about.